Style with Julie. Style with Julie. Style with Julie. Oh, 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 oh. Style with Julie. Style with Julie. Oh, 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 oh. Style with Julie. Style with Julie. Oh, oh, oh.
Hello my people, welcome to Style with Julie, and today we are going to do braids, the jumbo. Is it jumbo or jumbo? And now I'm using I have a Rattail comb. I have some clips with me. I have some scissors. Oh no. What else do I have? And the braid, yeah, the darling color number 2. Wow, it fits me. What else? And my hair is washed and treated. Yes, and some gel to slick my hair as I do the parting. Some beads with me for accessorizing, and something to keep me hydrated throughout the process. It's not easy. It will take me like 5 hours, so I must check on myself. So what I'm doing, nagawanisha nywele yangu into 2 sections. I need to have 2 portions. Yes, from ear to ear. That way. And please guys, you can never have a clear line. You're doing it using mirror, so si lazima, somehow lazima utatry to make it neat, but yezi kuwa that neat as maybe the salonist could do or the hairstylist. So I'm trying to use a Rattail comb, which at least gives you a good parting, but not a perfect one. That's the section, the front part and the back part. So that is me. My hair is well treated, washed, and ready for styling, or rather for installing the braids. So I'm using a band to at least hold that, the front part, because I'm going to start the back. Yeah, that's me. Sasa tunakata, nataka to make the big braids. So you can see the parting is a bit large. That's how you start. That's the gel. That's how I'm using it. Kupaka ndio at least ni try to have a clear line. Okay, it's not easy. So that's how I'm parting. Check. They are big, the jumbo. Okay. It's always good to do it from the top going downwards. At least unaweza uko guaranteed to have a clear a good parting, a straight. So that is my braid, darling, color number 1, long. I'm going to divide it into portions, like you'll see, depending on the size of the braids you want. So I have that small portion. Then I'm going to split it into 2. One should be large and the other one itakuwa kadogo, a small one. Then there we go, we crisscross them like that, like a rope. Then you twist. This depends on your technique. This is how I do it. It'll depend. So iyo part ndogo, iyo nywele ndogo, I'm going to attach with my natural hair, so that it will be equal. Itakuwa equal with the other 2. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. And then I have started installing. Remember, I'm doing the large braids, knotted ones. There we go. And you braid downwards And again ukifika hapo, so because it is long and you're doing it by yourself, you have to twist it on the side ndio uweze kuisuka like you're going downwards there. I'm trying to check if it's clear. It's good. That is it. That's my first jumbo. Braiding it downwards, then I don't complete. I'll finish later. That is it. There we go. So I always prefer finishing it later because I can do it on my own time, maybe while seated, while watching. Yeah, it depends. Now I'm on the second one. Check. Kata kutoka juu kienda chini, so that at least you can have a straight line. Otherwise ukifanya the other way, it might mess you there. I go ahead and clip with a clip. I use a clip, I repeat the same procedure, divide into two, have one large portion and the other one is small. The small one, remember, you're going to attach it with your natural hair. That is it, as I'm doing there. This depends with how you free. Like, this is the way I always do it, and I feel like it brings out what I want. People have different ways of doing it. Remember, I'm not a professional. I'm just trying to show you my skills, and that is it. There we go again. I twist it on my side. Go downwards. Yes. But it is not a walk in the park there. There we go. So kwa hii part ya mbele na start from the side. That is the way I feel comfortable. Clip it again, the loose hair, so that it won't come on your way while you're braiding. Tena nakata into portions depending on the, and as you can see, the front ones are not as big as the one from the back. There we go. I decided to do that because ya mbele pia inanidi kuwe poa, like si ati ya nyuma inafai kuwe mbaya, but the front hair is always very loose, so ukifanya na kubwa sana inaweza toka na so fast. And again I repeat, divide into two. I'm slicking my hair with some oil. Okay, my braider, not my hair. Also remember, don't oil your hair too much, itakusumbua. There we go. I'm installing the front part, or rather section. You see, I was talking about the loose hair. You must be keen ndo zisikuje on the way as you braid. That is it. It took me like 5 hours. And so since I was doing the front part, I decided to go all the way mpaka mwisho. There we go. I'm on the last one. I've done the rest off camera with my free time. There we go again. I'm through last touch up the makeups and all that. So what I'm going to do nenda accessorize. Accessorizing this, it's optional, you can decide to leave it that way. So I have the beads and the metallic jewels, and I decided to use the beads since I've not used the beads for so long. Like I decided kutumia beads, of which beads are also tricky depending on how you put them or you fix them rather, because unaweza fix ziende zikianguka kwa njia, they might embarrass you on the way. So that's how I'm fixing them. You must finish up to the end. And since sikuwa nimesoak my hair kwa warm water, you should soak your hair in the warm water to avoid running. So it was running along the way. Yeah, and I'm fixing my beads. Yeah, that's the final. What I did, nilichoma hapo chini to avoid them dropping, like ama kutoka, to secure them in short. Yeah. And I will slay with this hair for maybe 3 weeks or 2 weeks. But you can go with it even for a month. So it depends. That's me. Please consider to subscribe, share, comment.